Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hi and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Aujourd'hui, dialogue à la boulangerie numéro 2. Today, dialogue at the bakery number 2. On a déjà parlé du vocabulaire à la boulangerie. We've already mentioned the vocabulary to use at the bakery. Mais maintenant, il est temps de comprendre. But now, it's time to understand. Et aussi, le temps de parler. And also, time to speak. Of course, you'll find the transcript on my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com. It's free. You'll need to sign up, and I would recommend going on a website and following with the website. Why? Because first, I'm going to give you some vocab. Then you have some comprehension questions. And at the end, on the website, you'll see the transcriptions and the answers to the questions. So, are you ready to speak French? Mais avant de commencer, comment ça va? Moi, ça va bien. Aujourd'hui, c'est le printemps. I'm fine, it's great. Spring is here. So, of course, right, the ideal way is not to be too far outside of your comfort zone, just difficult and a little challenging. So, today, you're going to hear 3 times a 15 seconds audio. La boulangère prend la commande. The boulangère takes the order. The audio is played at real speed 3 times. L'audio sera joué 3 fois. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. First, because the goal is to build your comprehension of real spoken French, and this audio is lifted from real context. So, today you learn new vocab in the context of ordering and speaking when at the bakery. So how does this work? Okay. So first, read and learn the vocab if you need it. Listen to the audio 3 times. The first time, you need to focus on the general meaning and context. The second time, narrow down on the keywords, and the last time, try to focus on comprehension. Then answer the questions without checking the transcript, and then check the transcript and you answer. Of course, you can pause and repeat, and the best will be if you could read along and repeat the dialogue that you hear many times. So let's recap. I'm going to ask 3 questions, and then you're going to hear the same audio 3 times. And on my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com, you'll have the vocab if you need it. Allez, c'est parti pour les questions. Première question. Name the first thing ordered by the customer. Quel est le nom de la chose qui est commandée par la cliente? Seconde question. What is the baker's favorite bread? Quel est le pain préféré de la boulangère? And last question. How the client says, I'll have one. And of course, I'm not going to translate. You have to listen. Allez, c'est parti.
Bonjour madame. Bonjour, je vais vous prendre un croissant s'il vous plaît. Oui. Pour votre dîner, je vous propose mon pain préféré. C'est celui au maïs. Je vais vous en prendre un. Très bien. Bonjour madame. Bonjour, je vais vous prendre un croissant s'il vous plaît. Oui. Pour votre dîner, je vous propose mon pain préféré. C'est celui au maïs. Je vais vous en prendre un. Très bien. Bonjour madame. Bonjour, je vais vous prendre un croissant s'il vous plaît. Oui. Pour votre dîner, je vous propose mon pain préféré. C'est celui au maïs. Je vais vous en prendre un. Très bien.
Donc, je répète les questions. Name the first thing ordered by the customer. What is the baker's favorite bread and how the client says I have one. All of this is going to be very useful when you're in France because, of course, not only you learn the expressions, but you learn new vocab and how to pronounce them in context so you can use them at the bakery or at any other stores. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. Here you go, it's the end of this episode. If you enjoy listening to audios and learning through comprehension, I invite you to check my workshop. Really, you'll find a lot of different dialogues in context and worksheets to help you practice and be ready to speak French when you're in France. And even if you don't plan to travel to France, you might just want to learn French for the pleasure of learning a foreign language. Alors, merci beaucoup. Et nobody's told you today. Maybe it's early, maybe it's late. And wherever you are in the world, I know you're terrific. Et si personne ne vous l'a dit aujourd'hui, il est peut-être tard, il est peut-être tôt, et où que vous soyez dans le monde, je sais que vous êtes formidable. Merci, à bientôt, au revoir.